Our friends challenged us to transform this thrifted coffee table into something totally new, so we flipped it up on its end and made it into a plant stand. First, we took it totally apart. We removed the legs and the table skirt, getting it down to pieces of lumber we could repurpose. We cut the skirt pieces down to 5 smaller lengths and trimmed the rough, worn edges of the legs to get a clean cut. Then we sanded everything down to remove the old finish. Now it was time to reassemble. The screw holes that were already in the skirt pieces made it super easy to attach them back to the tabletop using the original screws. Then we attached 2 of the legs on the bottom to form feet that would make it stand upright. What a huge difference. Can you believe this used to be a coffee table? Next, we added some new finishes. Each shelf got a fresh coat of black paint for a sharp contrast against the natural wood. We used the same black paint on the trim around the edges and on the feet at the bottom. A fresh coat of varnish on the remaining wood sealed it up and brought out that natural grain. With that, our new stand was ready for plants. The little shelves are perfect for a propagation station or to hold tiny plants like herbs and succulents. This finished plant stand is the perfect modern yet rustic addition to the patio, and we can hardly even believe it used to be a coffee table. Our favorite projects are always when we transform something into a completely new piece. If you enjoy flipping pieces too, we'd love to hear about what you've created.